Alright, bro, ready to film our first skit? Nah, I'm good. What you mean you good? What happened? Looking for a new lens. Don't you have enough gear to make a simple skit? Nope. Do you have a camera? DSLR, GoPro. Lenses? 18 to 55mm, 24mm, 50mm, 70 to 300mm lens. Tripod? 2 actually. Microphone, shotgun, and a lav. Lights? 2 soft boxes and 3 RGB lights. That's only 1 softbox. Well, I didn't feel like setting up the second softbox. Do you have light stands? 2 regular light stands and 1 boom stand for overhead shots. And before you ask, the second light stand is being used to hold up the phone and the phone holder, which I also have. Editing software? Oh yeah, I got Premiere Pro, I got After Effects, I got DaVinci Resolve, I got Filmora Go, I got Hit Film, had Hit Film, had Sony Vegas Pro. Do you even know how to film a skit? Easy, just maintain the 180-degree rule. I'm looking screen left, you're looking screen right. So in the edit, when we cut, it makes sense on who is actually talking and who is not. Can't be that hard. Language griffy. All that I still need more gear to film a simple skit. Still need new gear. You're hopeless. Bro, I think we just filmed our first skit. Already in the edit, bro. Nice. So where are you putting it? YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram?